long time. It's connected to these coups d'etats and to the relationship and the role that's been played by the international community, especially the United States and France, that really put Haiti in the position where we lost so many lives on January 12th. So the last coup d'etat, which I'm calling another earthquake, was on February 29th, 2004, and that was the day that the democratically elected president of Haiti was kidnapped and brought to the Central African Republic, and it was the end of democracy. The experiences in Haiti have rendered Haiti in a weakened position because of the lack of democracy and the fact that democracy hasn't taken a foot in Haiti. Let me give you an example. From 1804 until 1990, the government of Haiti had only established 34 schools in Haiti, secondary schools in Haiti. So then from 1990 to 2004, a small period where there was some democracy, despite the fact that Papa Bush intervened and and pushed a coup d'etat through again. But in that period where there really was more of a stable democracy, we saw 138 secondary schools built in Haiti. So that demonstrates that during a period of democracy in Haiti, that's where we really see progress in terms of human rights. I recommend that you take a look at this piece of literature that we have here tonight that explains the role of the imperialist powers in Haiti in destroying democracy. I want to tell you about a meeting I had with Maxine Waters, Congresswoman Waters, just shortly after the earthquake. She asked, why Haiti? So I said, I'm sorry to tell you, but it's connected to the role that your country has played in our country, and the fact that there has been so much intervention in Haiti's efforts at establishing democracy that it never really was able to take a hold in Haiti. And that is why Haiti was in the position to suffer so greatly when the earthquake hit. So the earthquake that happened in Chile illustrates this problem. In Chile, the earthquake was 8.8, and then you had in Haiti where the earthquake was 7.3. But the destruction is it's not comparable. And so this illustrates this problem. And the problem is that human rights are not respected in Haiti. We have a government in Haiti who is stealing from its own people. The construction codes in Haiti were they were weak and they were not enforced. So now we're living in a country where women and children and disabled communities are extremely vulnerable. So as Walter explained to you, the state of socioeconomic rights in Haiti is terrible. We have a situation where we have so more than 40%, this is before the earthquake, more than 40% of children who should be in school are not able to attend school. And now we're in the situation in Port-au-Prince where the majority of the population is centered, where the schools, even till today, have not reopened. And then from a health perspective, the state's budget for healthcare accounts for only 8% of the state's budget. This demonstrates how important the work of Partners in Health in Haiti. Their work has gone beyond the work or the services offered by the state of the government of Haiti, and in fact in the worst and the most impoverished areas of Haiti. And the work of Partners in Health is not just healthcare. It really incorporates human rights issues. So Partners in Health, Amis La Santé, as they're known in Haiti, they are taking an integrated approach, because in order to have good health, you need to have housing, you need to have economic means, you need to be able to make money, you need to be able to go to school. For example, Partners in Health is partnering with us at the Institute for Justice and Democracy in Haiti and the BAI to implement a project in the prisons of Haiti. Yesterday we participated in a symposium on health and human rights at Hastings University here, and we showed a film to demonstrate this partnership between Partners in Health and the BAI in working in the prisons, because the health conditions in the prisons are horrific. People are suffering from AIDS, people are suffering from strokes, and there is no health care provided to these prisoners.
En réalité, en tant qu'avocat, dans le monde, c'est une inspiration pour lier pour moi. Parce que c'est le même qui toujours poussé me faire comprendre.
I've found a lot of inspiration from Paul Farmer, the founder of Partners in Health, because it's really him who helped me understand that it's not just about civil rights, it's also about socioeconomic rights. And I'm very inspired by him and his work, and now we're working together to actually implement this in the prisons.
Et ça, c'est un travail qui est vraiment intégral.
I have to say that before the earthquake of January 12th, the truth is the government of Haiti didn't really exist, and today it still doesn't exist.
Si c'est pas des amis la santé.
So it was Partners in Health that moved in when the government was not functioning. They moved into the state hospital, and it was only because of them that anyone was able to receive any care. And I am just impressed by the amount of work that they were able to do, and that they kicked into gear right away.
Et non seulement ça, mais
And the partnerships continue in our office at the BAI. The Partners in Health folks come in, distribute condoms, distribute education to the women's groups that come, and I'm impressed. I've never failed to be impressed with the work that they're doing.
mais tout ça.
So it's like the government of Haiti has just thrown up their hands. And in fact, I just learned from Paul Farmer the other day that the hospital near the village where I'm from, the government just said, Partners in Health, you take over, because we can't do it.
Et ces situations, ça n'a vu.
So this was the situation of human rights that we had going into the earthquake of January 12th. And I want to take this opportunity to thank the people, not the government, but the people of the United States for the solidarity that has been shown since the earthquake, for giving money, giving support, and really standing up with the Haitian people. For that, I want to say thank you.
C'est une occasion pour me dire non merci. Et moi dis peuple américain.
So when all this aid started coming in, unfortunately, well, I told you the Haitian government really was not able to do anything, but also the American government got bogged down in a conflict with the French government. And so nothing was getting to the people.
Je ne dis à situation, j'aime expliquer.
Unfortunately, in Haiti, we're coming up towards a catastrophe that is even bigger than what we've just experienced.
Et pas parce que pas gain aide.
Not because there's no aid. There is aid, but it's not coordinated.
Et gain plus conflit. Et qui moun
So now all
dirige Haïti, qui moun
the great powers are caught up in a fight between themselves about who's going to coordinate what in Haiti and how's it going to be distributed to the people. And in the meantime, the victims of the earthquake are not actually receiving any help. People automatically displaced themselves after the earthquake and really filled in the public squares of the city. A large segment of the population immediately fled to the countryside because Port-au-Prince is such a densely populated city. A lot of people fled back to the countryside where they're from. The people who are immediately, they came together in the plazas of the city. For 8 days, they didn't receive any water or any food, and anything they did receive was because they were sharing with each other. And then what happened is the NGOs started to arrive, but they didn't know Haiti, and they didn't have any coordination. And so they started to distribute some aid, but sort of at the easiest to reach areas, where they could have the photo opportunities and where they could, the people sort of in the front were able to receive some aid, but those who were in other sections of the city were not able to. There's about 1,053 sort of these sheet cities, which are become like camps around that are across the city. And many of those people don't even have a single tent to sleep in. Most people are sleeping under a piece of sheet or maybe like a piece of corrugated tin roof. Amongst these people are women who just gave birth, are people who have just survived amputations. And now we have the rain. Last night the rain came, and I saw photos already of people who, in the rain, were forced to spend the night standing up.
en pile mous.
And the mosquitoes are biting, and we are going to have an epidemic of malaria in Haiti.
Et en pile nan moun sa yo pa jwenn assez de l'eau.
And these people are not getting enough water and not enough food.